Now, the first thing to know about starting a story is your story has three parts. There are three important parts of your story. And what are those parts? The first part is called beginning. The second part is called middle. And the third part is called ending of the story. And today we are going to learn about the first part. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, in the beginning of the story, we have the characters and the settings. Who are the characters? Characters are the people in our story. Characters could be the animals too. And the setting is the time and place in the story. Today, for this story that I'm going to demonstrate to you, we are going to stick to the real people you come across in everyday life. For example, Mr. Tan, Mrs. Tan, Tina, Tim, and Tom, Kevin, Calvin, or any other names that you would like the people to have in your story are going to be your story characters. Once you've decided who are going to be the people in your story, it's time to decide and plan where do you want your story to take place. Do you want your story to take place in a supermarket? Or in a jungle? Or at home, or in a playground, or at school, or outside your HDB block? It could be any.